Hello, hello everyone. How are you all? First of all, thank you so much for your all love and whatever you are sending me your work. I'm liking it. And for those who are new, I'm Shefali. I'm art teacher and I'm teaching art since 1988 from last 32 years. And that is my job and I love teaching art. And while teaching, I'm also learning so much. So thank you all for always waiting eagerly for my videos. And now we see very 1 minute. Let me see who are there. Many less people online because I post this video on IGTV. So all of you do 1 minute. Many less people online because you all see my 1 minute. So all of you see on IGTV and you all are doing artwork, so that is very good. So I'm not worried if you come live or no with me. So if you come, that is good, we can interact. So I like to interact, and yes, there are many people out there. For first, let me tell you, today we are going to do abstract art. So I will explain you what is abstract art, and all of you are going to draw with your intuition, whatever colors you like. So I am going to give you step by step and you all are going to draw that. So it is something different, but it is very therapeutic, and we are not looking here at any final product, but it is just expressions, emotional expressions, which we are playing with colors. And definitely I will be giving you what we are doing and all. So I have taken I'm just telling you what materials, because I had posted yesterday that any material, whatever art supplies you have. So people asked me why any, so I didn't give much answers, but you can have whatever material you have. But I am taking the bowls, keep 2-3 bowls of different sizes. I am using ruler, I am using oil pastels and watercolors. I forgot to get, but I'll get, so I have to get watercolors. So I'm using this material and definitely brushes. So all of you also gather the material. Oil pastels are fine, you can use acrylic also, and watercolors. So we are taking basic oil pastel watercolor. This is mixed media and we are not painting specific thing. So what is abstract art? In olden days they used to observe the things and used to draw. Like they used to observe the nature, landscape, they used to do landscape, they used to do portraits looking at people. But in 1940, the first artist, Kandinsky, he started painting on the musical notes. He used to listen to the music and his hand used to move on the musical notes. So he started something abstract art. And then Picasso started painting cubism, looking at one thing with different aspects. And then I love our Indian artist Raza. He was also in 1950, he started painting his own style, and he passed away in 2016. Now you can search on Google Raza. Raza's art, he used to play with geometrical shapes and colors, and his paintings are awesome. So today we are going to do abstract art, we are playing, it is a visual language of lines, shapes, colors. There can be any natural form or cannot be, it can represent anything or cannot. So we are going to draw with our own intuition. Everyone's painting will be different because we all are going to use whatever colors we like, whatever shapes we like. So let's start and bring your material together, and let me say hi to who are there. Hi Arya and Ami, and all of you, all kids and adults, everyone can join this because this is not at all tough, and don't judge yourself, okay? Hi Bansi, because all of you judge a lot. Mera acha nahi hua, this is not good, I can do better. Don't judge in this, at least in abstract art. And of course, when you want to do sketching or coloring or painting, you have to keep on practicing. That is the best thing. So hi Zeel and Tanya. Hello Sparsh. So all of you are here. Let's start. Hi Zara. You all are awesome. And Kavita Agarwal and Myra and Thaira. So I'll check your drawing. Laddu. Hi Shifali and Tanish. So all of us, let's start. So all of you have your own material. So if you don't have, then also no worries. We need, I am taking 2 bowls first. So we have Akruti with us for video. So hi Akruti, you can say hi to Akruti. I'll get my watercolors quickly and you also be ready with your all material.
Hi everyone.
So here I am with my watercolors. So first of all, you have to draw any shape. Maybe it's square or it may be a triangle or a circle. I am choosing circle because I like circle, but if you like any other subject, any other shape, you can draw. So don't follow me. No need to follow me. You just follow your intuition. One day if you don't draw well, don't worry. Just this is for fun, this is for relaxation, this is for enjoyment. Today's art. Today we are doing abstract art. So take your favorite color also. So I am taking my favorite color. I am holding the bowl. This is easiest way to make a circle. So I am making a circle. Anywhere on the page. Anywhere on the page. Now I am taking another color. Follow your intuition. Follow your liking. Don't copy me. Any shape you can make. If you want to make circle, you can make circle. So I am making one more bigger circle only. Little overlapping this. It is up to you. Whatever you want to create, wherever you want to create. Create 2 big shapes. Any, maybe triangle or a circle. Then I am taking one more maroon color or a pink. What is this? I am not looking, only I am following my intuition which color I am taking. So again I am making one more circle. You can make wherever you want. Again and again I am telling you, no need to follow me. I am taking one more small circle. So I made 4 shapes. You also make 4 shapes, maybe circle, because circle is very quick. So I am making circle. You also can make circles. So I have made 4 circles wherever on the page, whichever colors you like. After making 4 circles, you can make 5 also. You can make whatever colors you like. Then I am taking green color. Pick up your color. So I am not telling which color I am taking. Pick up whatever color and make any shape you want. So I am making any vibrant shape. Same color I am taking one more. You can overlap or you cannot overlap. Just we are playing with shapes and colors. So we are not worried what we are doing. I made 2 shapes. I am taking again one more green. And I am making a big leaf. After making leaf, I am making lines also inside. You can make leaf or flower or only shapes. It is up to you. If you are scared and you want to follow with me, you can follow, but at least choose your colors. And try this is on your own because this is fun. We have to just be careful that we should not keep anything messy. The line should be clear, the shape should be clear and big. Don't try to make any small things. Sometimes if you want to do acrylic, you can paint acrylic in the background, because with acrylic you can overdo on the things. So then after this I am making one more shape of a leaf here. Follow your intuition, follow your favorite color. Do you know every color says something? There is a color therapy also and color analysis also. So it depends whichever colors you pick. It depends upon, you know, on your mood. Sometimes you want to wear also red color, and sometimes you want to wear white color. So it depends upon your mood. I have done art analysis and color analysis courses from Dr. Samindra Sawant. She is a psychologist. So I have taken workshops from her, and it helps to read artworks, and definitely psychology and art goes hand in hand. Sometimes they therapists also use art as a therapy, and to read subconscious mind also they use art. I don't know all those things, but yeah, color therapy, I believe in color therapy. So whatever colors you like, whatever colors your intuition comes, you pick up those colors. So now again I'll take whatever colors I like. So I'm taking red, and I am doing one more shape in this area only. I don't want to touch the boundaries. Same way you can do here. Yeah, lots of hearts are coming. Thank you. That keeps on motivating me. So here all of you, we know, you all know that we do art for fun, to do as a hobby. We don't want to judge ourselves, but we try to do simple way good artworks. Even kids can do these shapes, whatever shapes they like. You can take only triangle and squares if you feel these are the difficult one. So you can use your favorite, you know, shapes. So now what I'll do, you know, inside this red, this is my intuition, is whatever I want to do right now. So this is, I'm feeling I want to fill up the center part. So I'm filling it up. You can observe now, and you can try to create on your own. That is also can be possible. But surprisingly, before I finished my lecture and this session, and I get so many artworks. How quick you all of you are. My God, you all are really sincere and dedicated. So this is, I'm filling it up. You know, all of you know how to do oil pastels, because we have done many sessions before. You know, move your color in circular motion so you don't leave white space. I'm doing it here also. So sometimes you know, without thinking much, you can go with your intuition, because I have not planned this lesson. It is coming. Definitely I tried, always I try before teaching, but right now I don't know what I'll do next. So it is just I'm going with my intuition and whatever my eyes want to see. So after this, I'm taking yellow color, and I'm drawing circles in this blank part. This is the game of shapes and colors. So I'm doing, because all of you know we are going to paint it later on. So I'm doing this, and I'm doing the same here also in the other part. Sometimes we see we go to see art exhibitions and we see there are ये तो मेरा बच्चा भी बना सकता है, that is what you feel, but no, it is a big science behind that. Artists have something to say, and definitely we'll play a game. You all can give a name to your painting. Okay, you can make this abstract. Even I'll give my painting a name. So we'll give a name to our painting. So I'm taking blue again and I'm doing some wavy lines here. So you all have done doodling also, and you have done oil pastels also. So this is not a big deal for all of you. But here you will do the way you want. You don't have to follow me. And that is the fun. If you follow me, that is also okay, but it is more fun when you do on your own. The first time you can do with me. The next you maybe try on your own. So here I am doing some strokes. So I'm just picking up colors whichever I feel like using. So I'll go here also the same. Here there is some space, and here also the same. Now there is some space here, so I will draw some shapes in that. So maybe I take a ruler. We have not used a triangle. Let me use a triangle. So I'm making little thicker triangle. So I don't like only one, so I want to make one more somewhere. The line came out, so I made it very thick. So this is not planned, the thick line, but it was looking little uneven, so I made it thick. So I'll make one more triangle here, this side. It is so windy here in Mumbai today. Yesterday was heavy rain. So this is fun. You can try this with acrylic also. Here we can do something. Let's do all shades of purple. So after this I am using one lighter purple. And if you will also think, just let your right brain work. Just leave it. Whatever you feel, keep on doing it. Don't think too much. Just pick up any color and go ahead. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक पेज खराब होगा और what else. But try. It is fun to try, and one day you will find your own style. I am still searching mine. So we made two circles, and this part I want to do something, and this part. So I'll take orange. Somehow I'm in good mood today, so I'm picking all bright colors. So here also we'll do some wavy line. This is really therapeutic and it is fun. When you do with the musical, you put your favorite music and keep on doing this and fill it up your full page with shapes and patterns and your favorite colors, and see the magic. You will feel really good. Now here we should take some dark color, I feel, in this, or I can use green only. I'm using green only, it is dark only, right? So I'm filling it up, this part, green. So one by one we pick up each color. That time we thought whatever will look good or what we want, and accordingly we went. You can do any shapes, simple shapes, any colors you like. If you don't want to take many colors, you can take 2-3 colors. Whatever is your wish, whatever is your mood like, and whatever your intuition says. And put on some good music, maybe instrumental. Any instrumental is jazz or classical, and follow the notes. I don't prefer lyrics when I want to do art, because sometimes your lyrics, you think on those lyrics. So we want our mind to be very blank. No lyrics. We don't want lyrics. So any instrumentals are good, and this is fun. Even mandala, madhubani, they all are very relaxing. So I'm done with green part one side, and I'm using here also green. I am making everything 2 today, so it's a twinning. I am doing the same 2 parts here, 2 parts here, 2 parts here, and that is not planned. I am just following whatever I am feeling like today. Waiting for all of your work. Don't feel shy to send me. Just send me. Whatever colors you want to pick up, just pick up. So that is why I was telling, whatever material you have, it is fine. You can use sketch pens, you can use watercolors or oil pastels or any colors. So we are done with the basic thing. Now I am taking black and I am just scribbling in the background. I am scribbling in the background. You can take any color you like. You can do scribbling or cannot. You can have just plain background. Or I am leaving little space, here, and then I'll start, because it is touching my colors, so I'm not liking it. So I will make a little border around my artwork, whatever shapes I have created. And then I'll do scribbling because it is touching my artwork. This is created only with the patterns and shapes and colors. Patterns are also not important. You just use colors and shapes, lines. Please see Raza's artwork on Google. His paintings are the most expensive. He is one of the Indian artists whose paintings are really expensive. And you can see only the shapes, geometrical shapes in his artwork. and beautiful colors. He was it is called Bindu Vistar. Every painting, I think the circles are there and the expansion of the circle. So this is the basic thing I have done. I'll take water and watercolors. Within 20-25 minutes I have done this, but you all can take your own time and do nicely. Now I'll fill up watercolors because the mixed media effect looks really good when you use watercolors. It looks really beautiful. So here I'll take green color in the background. So on the this scribbling, the green is giving good effect. All my students there, please make one art with your own intuition, geometrical shapes, colors and lines, and send it to me. Don't forget to send it to me. I'm eagerly waiting for all of your work, and thank you for all your love. If you are enjoying these artworks, please write a review on the Google Shefali's art classes. Go to Shefali art classes and write your review if you are enjoying this and liking these art sessions. Many are requesting me to send me the older work, but in earlier all art sessions I have not recorded. I don't have anything recorded. I used to come live and then it never used to get saved, the videos, but now it is getting saved on IGTV and I'm posting it. There are 2-3 are on the YouTube channel also, not more, but 2-3. Now after doing this, what we feel we should have all bright colors inside. Let's see what we want to do. So now I take a red color. My favorite is red, so I'm filling it up. Red color is of passion. Green is for growth. Yellow is for fun. Violet is for spiritual. Blue is for peace. Then black is powerful. So these are some. You find everything on Google. I have learned it. So now which color we should take in the center here? Everything is so dark. So I'm taking yellow. This is abstract art. I will give name to my painting, but all of you, whenever you post your work, please give me the name to your painting. This is abstract art. We can't see any nature or any natural things. These are shapes, colors and lines. So don't think so much when you do coloring or painting or drawing. Just follow your intuition and create. This is therapeutic art. So again we'll take orange. We took red first, now I'm taking orange. These colors are really good. These are camel colors, cake colors. Cake colors are really good to use because we don't have to remove the paints and these are artists, because artists have some shiny effect. So I'm done here. So I'll take here also orange. I'm really waiting for all of your work. Please send it to me. I'm sure it will be good. And just play with shapes and colors. Now only one part is left, so we'll take crimson red here. So our painting is dominating with red. See, there are different reds, the scarlet red and this crimson red and the maroon, but every color has their own aura and power. Please don't forget to visit Kandinsky, who used to paint with the musical notes, and Raza, artist Raza, one of the best artists of abstract art in India. That is your homework. Visit Raza and Kandinsky and see their paintings. Jackson Pollock is also one of my favorite. Jackson Pollock used to paint on the bigger canvas, and by mistake he splashed some paints on his canvas, and he saw a beautiful mark, so he started splashing paints on his canvas and started painting it. So this is almost done. I'm not really, see here where I have left white color, it is looking really nice. Here it is blended, so it doesn't matter. We'll give little outline with the black here, so it stands out. So follow your intuition and create your painting. So painting with shapes, if you want to take a screenshot for your reference, you all can take it, but painting with your emotions, painting with your intuition, painting with your favorite colors and shapes is so much fun. So please make one art. I'm giving one name to my painting is, I have to give a name to my painting name is Lost in Nature. Lost in Nature, isn't it correct? Because I see, it was not planned, but now I can see leaves and flowers and all beautiful colors. So Lost in Nature is my name for my painting, and you give your painting a name, and I'm waiting to see your work. This is so much fun to paint and draw without any expectations. So don't expect anything from you. Just pick up some shapes, colors, and whatever your intuition follows, and make one art, and I'm waiting for you. Until then, next week definitely I am coming with something new. I'll tell you in advance if we are doing something with new material, but everyone has oil pastels and watercolors and sketching pencils, so we'll do something for all. So see you next week. Till then, bye, love you, see you, and please post your review if you like it on Google. Thank you, bye, see you, take care.